Guys, to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing us how to make use of the trend line strategy together with the head and shoulder pattern strategy. Okay, now remember, everything we are going to be doing with these two concepts will be at the particular order block. Okay, so if you want to make use of a trend line or the head and shoulder pattern strategy, then make sure you are going to be using it at a particular order block. Okay, so that's what I'll be showing you in this particular video. Remember, we actually took this trade with a $5 account yesterday, and then now we are sitting close to $25. Okay, so the goal is for us to take a sniper entry at a particular order block level. Okay, and then at that order block level, we are going to be using maybe our trend line and our head and shoulder pattern. Okay, now these two concepts is what will form our entry in the market. Okay, because it's not just enough to make use of the order block, but you want to know at what strategy or entry should you make use of with this particular order block. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we draw our trend line. Okay, if you notice, you will see that price has been selling for a while now. Okay, so you can see that this was like our first touch here. Okay, remember, we want to trade the touches that price will be making. So this was like the first touch here, which was our aggressive sell, and then price came back, okay, for our second touch. Okay, so we have the first touch here and then the second touch, and then if you notice, you will see that this is like a strong resistance level in the market. Okay, so for those that will be seeing this video now, this will be a good opportunity for you to load more positions. So if price retraces to a certain level, I'm still going to be taking more sales. Okay, because this should be like our target for price to get to. Okay, this should be like our target for price to get to, because this was like where price initially reversed from. Okay, so we are anticipating that price will come and give us like a breakout at this particular level. Okay, but price might decide to do what it wants to do. Okay, because we are not in total control of the market, but this is a very strong level in the market. Okay, so after determining our trend line, the next thing we want to do is to go to maybe the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, what we want to do on the 1 hour time frame is to draw our trend line. Okay, is to draw our trend line, but before we do that, let us first of all identify our order block. Remember, this is like our order block level here. Okay, this is like our order block level, and we gave that order block sometime around yesterday, and then price had to respect that order block. So after determining the order block level, we want to know exactly when to take our trade. Okay, remember, for some of us, we might decide to take an aggressive entry. We might not want for wait for extra confirmation, and then so that we can be on profits on time, while for some of us, we might want to have extra confirmation. Okay, so if you want like a safe entry, then definitely you want to make sure you watch this video, because this will give you like a safe entry in the market. So after determining the order block on the 1 hour, we want to draw our trend line. So what we want to do with this trend line is to wait for a break of structure. Okay, so is to wait for a break of structure after this trend line has been formed somewhere around here. So after our break of structure, you will notice that price broke out of this trend line. Remember, this like our first touch, our second touch, and then price broke out. Okay, so whenever we see price break out, we want to see a close of a particular candle outside of the breakout. Okay, if price closes above the trend line, it means that that was a false breakout. But if price close below it, that means it's a legitimate breakout. So once price breaks out, then what we want to see is to check out for a our pattern. So we can see here very well that price actually gave us a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so this was like the first shoulder, which is the left shoulder. This was like the head, and then this was like the right shoulder. Okay, and then we saw price started reversing. Okay, another confirmation is after price broke out of our trend line, we noticed that price had to retrace back. Okay, so there was a little retracement back to this particular order block level here. Okay, so we could have wait for that, but because we don't really know what price might do, that is why the first thing we might want to do is to wait. If price immediately gets to our order block, we can take like an aggressive entry, or we'll wait for this trend breakout. Immediately price breaks out of it, we enter, and then we set our stop loss above here. We might not necessarily wait for this retracement because price might decide to retrace or not. We are not in control of the market. And then, but you can see the sell, or after the break out here, what we want to do is to wait for price to break out below here. Okay, once immediately price breakout, then this is the final and the most powerful confirmation we need. Then we can decide to go to the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, immediately we see this particular candlestick breakout here, then what we want to do is to take our sell immediately this candle closes somewhere around here. Okay, and then we can put our stop loss just above here, and then our take profit now will be somewhere at this particular level here. So you can see that price definitely has gotten to this level. Okay, but definitely we are going to be holding this trade because we know that market definitely should get to somewhere around here. Okay guys, so guys, this is how to make use of this powerful strategy. Okay, so I believe we've been able to learn how to make use of this strategy. If you have any question, any comments, please you can leave it in the comment description of this video. And also please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. Kindly turn on your notification bell. Do well to like this video, also share for your friends so that they can get access to this strategy and make good money for themselves in the market. So thanks guys for watching this powerful video. Definitely I'll see us later in my next trading video. So thanks guys, cheers, and see you later.